must accept that the business ended it. They should stop, let go of the flamethrower, and step behind the safety line. At the line, the shooters are being shown how to pressurize the flamethrowers, how to operate the fuel trigger. The fuel for the flamethrowers is gasoline. It's the same stuff you put in your cars. The propellant is nitrogen. We are, I believe, the only participant-operated horizontal liquid-fueled flame effect on the playa.
I believe you are. Is that correct, Matisse?
Liquid fuels and flame effects are considered more dangerous because the fuel sticks to things and keeps burning. In this case, the targets are made of steel and they're stuck with stainless steel wool.
And of course, Matisse forgot to mention that because it's more dangerous, it's more fun. And we all like it that much better.
It looks like we have 4 educated shooters. Are we clear on the left and on the right?
Clear on the left and right.
All right, I'm going to light the pilot lights. First safety is off. Second safety is off. Third safety is off. Fourth and final safety is off. The line is hot. Bring your shooters up to the line. Range officers, pressure test your flamethrowers. We have 2, 3 pressurized flamethrowers. 4. The line is pressurized.
Yeah.
You may commence firing.
Firing. Let's fire this hole right here, baby. Burning the man.